So Kadamba also operates yearly bus service to Madras for Velankanni Fest and Maddi festival. So this year for Maddi from Goa on 27th August दोन आमचे स्लीपर बसीस वयतले स्लीपर AC बसीस will leave from Goa on 27 आणि Maddi it's on 29. So bus will reach to Chennai on 28. And again for Feast of Velankanni on 5th September one sleeper AC sleeper bus will depart from Goa on 5th of September it is. And the fare is, we have kept fare at 6,000 round trip, and this is excluding food and accommodation. Okay. Excluding.
किती दोन बसी नो?
For Maddi 2 buses will go. Sleeper AC buses.
Carrying capacity
30 each. So 60 berth will be there. And for Feast 1 bus.
And so booking कोण असतं?
कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर्स आम्ही सगळे केल्ले ऑन आमचे बस स्टँडार जाता ते बुकिंग्स आणि आमचे हेड ऑफिसाक कॉन्टॅक्ट करी जाल्यार बूक करता आमचे
ऑनलायन बीन कितें अशें हें केलां ऑनलायन
ना ऑनलायन